Hey there, fellow financial warriors. Welcome back to Cash Chronicles. Today we're diving into one of the most empowering topics in personal finance: how to pay off debt fast. If you've been feeling burdened by debt and looking for a way to break free, the step-by-step guide is your ultimate roadmap to financial freedom. Let's get started. Section 1. Assess your debt. The first step to paying off debt fast is assessing your financial situation. Make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and any other outstanding balances. Organize them from the smallest to the largest amount owed, and don't forget to note the interest rates. Section 2. Create a budget. Now that you know where you stand, it's time to create a budget. Calculate your total monthly income and list all your essential expenses. Cut back on non-essential spending to free up extra cash for debt repayment. Every dollar counts. Section 3. Choose a debt repayment strategy. There are two popular strategies for paying off debt fast: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first,
and then using the freed up cash to tackle the next one. The avalanche method prioritizes paying off the highest interest debt first, saving you more money in the long run. Choose the strategy that aligns best with your financial goals and personality. Section 4. Negotiate lower interest rates. Don't be afraid to negotiate with creditors for lower interest rates. A simple phone call or negotiation letter can make a significant difference in how fast you pay off your debt. Remember, they want to get their money back, so they might be willing to work with you. Section 5. Increase your income. To accelerate your debt payoff journey, consider increasing your income. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or selling items you no longer need. Every extra dollar you earn can go straight towards reducing your debt. Section 6. Build an emergency fund. While paying off debt is crucial, it's equally important to build an emergency fund. Having a financial safety net ensures that you won't rely on credit cards in case of unexpected expenses. Start small and gradually build your fund as you pay off debt.
Section 7. Stay focused and motivated. Paying off debt can be a challenging journey, but stay focused and motivated. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Surround yourself with a supportive community, and remember that financial freedom is within your reach. Conclusion. You've now armed yourself with the knowledge and tools to pay off debt fast. Take control of your financial destiny and embark on this life-changing journey towards debt freedom. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the process and the financial lessons you'll learn along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video here at Cash Chronicles. If you have any questions or tips on paying off debt, feel free to share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our incredible community. Until next time, stay financially savvy.